Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about some home remedies for cough. Whether you have a dry cough, a wet cough, or a persistent cough, these remedies can help ease your discomfort. So, let's get started. Honey. Honey is a natural cough suppressant that can help soothe your throat. Mix a teaspoon of honey in a cup of warm water or tea and drink it. You can also add some lemon juice for extra benefits. Ginger. Ginger contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. You can chew on a small piece of fresh ginger or drink ginger tea. To make ginger tea, grate some fresh ginger and steep it in hot water for a few minutes. Salt water gargle. Gargling with salt water can help relieve sore throat and cough. Mix half a teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water and gargle for 30 seconds. Spit the water out and repeat as needed. Steam. Inhaling steam can help loosen mucus and relieve cough. You can take a hot shower, use a humidifier, or boil a pot of water and inhale the steam. Be careful not to burn yourself. Turmeric milk. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help boost your immune system. Mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder in a glass of warm milk and drink it before bed. Thyme tea. Thyme has cough-relieving properties that can help reduce cough frequency and duration. Steep some fresh or dried thyme in hot water and drink it as a tea. Those were some of the home remedies for cough that you can try at home. Remember, if your cough persists or gets worse, it's important to see a doctor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching.